Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie and grow a garden. First, consider what kind of pie you want to make. Do you love apple, berry, or pumpkin pie? This choice will guide your planting decisions. Next, select a sunny location in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Finally, enrich your soil with organic compost to provide essential nutrients for healthy plant growth. This foundational step is crucial for a bountiful harvest. Once your garden is planned, it's time to plant. Carefully place your chosen seeds or seedlings, ensuring adequate space for growth. For example, give berry bushes about 3 feet of space. Consistent watering is key, especially when plants are young or during dry spells. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week. Keep an eye out for pests and use natural solutions like neem oil or companion planting to keep your garden healthy and thriving. The exciting part is harvesting your garden's bounty. Pick your fruits and vegetables when they are perfectly ripe for the best flavor in your pie. For instance, apples should be firm and colorful, while berries should be plump and easily detach from the stem. Handle your produce with care to prevent bruising. Store your fresh ingredients in a cool, dry place or refrigerate them until you're ready to transform them into a homemade pie. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Now for the grand finale, baking your garden fresh pie. Use your favorite pie recipe and substitute store-bought ingredients with your homegrown produce. Whether you make your crust from scratch or use a convenient pre-made option, the fresh filling will truly shine. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Bake until the crust is a beautiful golden brown and the filling is bubbling with deliciousness. Serve warm and savor every bite of your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.